see how to simulate the temperature sensor in Arduino board using the Tinkercad. Okay, so click on the Tinkercad. Click on the circuit. Click on new circuit. And click on Arduino. Means just type Arduino over here. Click and the Arduino comes here. Next, we need a breadboard. And now we are going to use temperature sensor, that is TMP36. This is how you are going to place. And now there are 3 pins over there. One is for power supply, one is for ground, and one for taking the readings. Okay, so power, you just click on 5 volts, and this is ground. And this, since this temperature sensor is an analog sensor, we are going to connect it with this, the analog pin, that is A0. Okay, so now the connection is done. Now we are ready for writing the code part of it. So this is the code for the temperature sensor. See here, we are using the 3 variables: sense pin, sensor input, and temp. Okay, so this A0 is a pin in which you are going to read the value of the sensor. Since our sensor is connected to the pin number A0, so this we are assigning it to the variable sense pin. And there are 2 functions, that setup and loop function. Setup function is used for initialization, and whatever you write in the loop function, it will be continuously executing. In the case of setup function, we are initializing the data transfer rate. So the speed at which the data should be sent from our board to the monitor. Okay, so that we are giving this 9600, that is 9600 bits per second. And then the loop function, analog read function we are using. Using analog read, we are going to take the value from the sensor and we are going to give it to the variable sensor input. So this is the mathematical part which is involved in converting the value read by the sensor into the temperature. This is an analog sensor. It can read the value, and which is of 10 bit, it can read the value minimum 0 and maximum 1024. Okay, the first step is we have to convert it into volts, and then we have to convert it into degree. And the value 0 read from the sensor corresponds to 0 volt, and if it is reading 1023, it means it is 5 volts. Okay, so first what you have to give this, whatever the sensor input which we have received, that divided by 1024 into 5. Okay, after that, after getting the voltage, we have to subtract it from the offset, that is 0.5, because we are going to the temperature sensor gives the reading from minus 50 degree to 120 degree. So minus 50 degree. So if the value is 0, then we are subtracting it from minus 0.5 and multiplying with 100. So then it gives the value of minus 50 degree. If our temp value is 0, when we subtract it from minus 0.5 and multiply it by 100, you will get the value as minus 50 degree, since our temperature sensor capable of sensing from minus 50 degree to 120 degree. Once this is done, then we are printing the value. Okay, so once the code is written, then we have to start the simulation. So click on the start simulation. And how to simulate is, just click on the temperature sensor and you will get a reading likewise, and the same reading will be displayed in the serial monitor also. So this is simulating the outside environment. and if you make it more hotter by sliding towards here, and this means that the room temperature this much and your reading comes to be spread over here. So this is the assignment of the temperature sensor. What variation you can do is that you can connect a LED and you can say that if the temperature crosses the 50 degree, you can make the LED to glow. Okay, so this is how the temperature sensor can be simulated using the Tinkercad. Thank you.